Hi folks, welcome to Pam's Wig Adventure. We are doing a voiceover because I did not have enough time to record, so I'm going to do a voiceover. So what we're doing right here, I wasn't sure which wig that I was going to wear. And so what we're doing is we're trying on Dallas in number 4, dark brown. And so I ended up going with just trying her on and wearing her. So she seemed to go perfectly fine. I was in a rush, so I didn't have enough time to record the whole thing. So I was talking to you, but not my normal talk, so I figured I would do a voiceover. So her part was the only thing that I wanted to mess with. I didn't want to mess with anything else. She looked really cute. So I just fixed her part, fluffed her up a little bit, and then I was good to go. I was satisfied with her. So I think I put a little bit of water in her. Let's see what I do here. I just fixed her part. I thought I sprayed a little water. No? I'm not going to spray water? I thought I sprayed a little bit of water in her. Let's see. There we go. I knew I sprayed a little bit of water. So I sprayed a little bit of water. Just zhuzhed her up a little bit. Because she was looking cute. I did, when I first did the hair mail, I thought she was a little wavier in the book than what she came, but she seemed okay. I thought she was still cute. She was a medium length style. And she felt kind of cute. So I didn't want to do a lot to her. I don't think she had a lot of permatease in there. So she felt kind of nice. I just wanted to fix the part. So yeah, she was kind of cute. I think I just turned around for you guys and that was it. Around for you guys, so I apologize for that. So I just paired it with a white top. I have their orange and white pants, and that was just the outfit of the day, and I wanted to just show you what it looked like. So it has these angel arms, and that's what it looked like for the outfit of the day. I put a little top orange tank top underneath. I did not get a chance to come back and do the end of the night, so I apologize for that, but this was Dallas in 4 dark brown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.